Hi, I'm Jess. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Since this video will be the last one of this year, I wanted to summarize and show you the makeup products that I enjoyed using. Before starting with the video, I must say I'm not sure if any of these products are released in 2020. I am not sure about that, but I just wanted to show you the products that I discovered this year and liked using them. There will be probably some old products that I just discovered, but yeah, I will just go through which products I like. So yeah. Also, I try to limit myself with the Colourpop stuff, so yeah, I hope it won't be too much Colourpop, but there are some in there. So without further ado, let's start. I will start with the makeup order that I prefer to apply my products. So the first one will be the primer. And it is the Too Faced Hangover primer. I probably only use this primer for like 2 times, and one of them was in this video. You can check that one to see my first impressions kinda. And that was the first time that I used this one, and it was enough for me to say like, okay, that's the one. I don't know if I would get this again because of the pricing and also the size. I want to try and find something a little bit in the cheaper side kinda, but if I don't have anything, I will go back to this primer probably, because I like how it looks on my face. I like that subtle grip that it has, which makes my foundation to hold on more. At least that's what I felt like. At first I was iffy about the fragrance in this one, but I guess I got used to it and now I like how it smells. And also it's not like a overpowering scent, so it goes away after a minute or so. And yeah, it's not a big deal for me anymore, and I like how it smells now. Next is foundation, and that is, of course, Colourpop Pretty Fresh foundation. I'm so glad that I tried this foundation. I mean, I'm still not sure about the shade of this product. I feel like I can do a better shade matching for the next time I got one of these again. So yeah, I don't feel like the shade is right for me, and I hope I can find a better match for myself because I want to continue using this product. I have a combination skin and matte foundations can get flaky around here, and the luminous ones can make my T-zone way too shiny, but this foundation is somewhere in between, which suits my skin type perfectly, I guess. And yeah, I like it. I don't know, I don't have anything to say. It's just a really nice foundation. After this point, I generally do my eyebrows, but I don't have too complicated products that I use. I just use a brow pencil. It's so basic that I don't want to talk about it. I don't know, I want to try new brow products next year and maybe find something that will make it easier for me to draw eyebrows from scratch. So yeah, if you have any recommendations for that, please let me know. After that, the next is eye primer, and that is the Balm Put a Lid on It eyelid primer. I probably didn't use this one too much in my videos. The reason for that is because this is something that my mom uses, and since I have 2 other primers, I tend to use those in my videos, but when I go out, I switch back to this one because this product is something that I've been using for a very long time, and I know that it will be fine on my eyelids. It has a nice grip to it that I don't feel like I should apply a powder on top to get the thickness away. And yeah, I am comfortable with applying my eyeshadows right after using this, and even though there's a little bit like oiliness at first when you apply it on your lids, that goes away quickly, and the grip is nice enough to be able to blend my eyeshadows easily. The next is eyeshadow palette. Now, I had 2 different products in my mind. I am, I guess, more comfortable with choosing this as my favorite one, and this is the Sweet Talk eyeshadow palette from Colourpop. I mean, the color scheme is already something that I would enjoy using every day, so it wasn't a surprise for me to choose this one since I like using pinkish tones. This is not completely pink, but yeah, kind of that. And I know this palette isn't something that I use in my videos too much. I am trying to be versatile in the makeups that I do most of the time, but generally they end up pink again. I was avoiding to use this one, but yeah, if you ask me, I can use this palette in all of my videos. The thing that I like about this palette is that it has a nice shade range, and also I believe this is the first palette that Colourpop included a Super Shock formulation, which I like. I am happy that they included a Super Shock shadow in their palettes. And there's also, I believe, 2 glitters in this palette. I'm not sure. I know that there is one, but I'm not sure about this one. So yeah, since I started using glitters around my eyes, I'm fine with using this palette. Before that, I was like, I don't need those 2 glitters. But now I feel like, yeah, there are golds, there are pinks. It is a nice shade range, for me personally at least, and yeah, I like this one. After that comes the eyeliner. I don't have too many eyeliners, and since I don't feel the need to change my eyeliner, I feel like I should talk about this one. I mean, it is good enough for me. I am used to using this product, so I don't look for anything new, but I don't know, this thing doesn't seems like a hygienic thing, like putting inside and touching to your eyeball and then going back in again. I am not a fan of those pencil liners because I feel like those dry up too easily and I can't use all of the product, so I prefer using something like this. I like tips like this. I don't know how you call these ones. I guess it's a felt tip, but I'm not sure about that. Oh, by the way, I didn't tell you the name of this product. It's the Maybelline Lasting Drama. I feel like this is called something else, but anyways, I will probably link all of the products down in the description if I can find any links so that you can check out the products by yourself. It's a nice one. Since I like this one, I don't want to go to another adventure to look for eyeliners because there are so many criteria about eyeliners since I have hooded and oily eyelids that I don't even want to go in that rabbit hole because I don't know, I am picky about eyeliners, and yeah, this one works fine for me. So, and the next product is bronzer, and it is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. You probably already heard me talking about this product way too much. I tried to save my other one, which was broken, but for some reason, even though I pressed it again to the pen, it doesn't work with my bronzer brush, so I can't use this anymore, and I don't know why I keep this. I don't know, I have a certain connection to this bronzer, probably because of the smell, because it makes me remember my childhood. If you didn't smell this product, do that. It smells so good. This product is really soft, but not soft enough to have that patches like some bronzers would have. And yeah, I don't know what to say about this. It glides on nicely and I don't experience those patches. There is nothing else that I can say about this product. It's a nice one. And then comes the blush. Now, you know that I like using pink blushes, and I only use one blush, and that is the Balm Springs. For a blush, I feel like this product goes way too long, which is something that I like. I have been using this product almost in all of my videos, and yet I couldn't hit the pen on this. The pink tone in this one is nice enough to wear it in daily makeup, and also I can build it up to have that more pinkish look. So yeah, and for highlighter, you all probably guess what I will choose in this one, and yeah, that's the Wet n Wild Hello Halo Blushlighter. I don't use the pink side in here at all. I feel like that one is way too shiny to use it as a blush, but at the same time it is way too pinkish to use it as a highlighter. So yeah, I only use this side of this thing, but it's I don't know, the shine on this one is perfect. I don't like wearing subtle highlighters, so this one is the perfect match for me. And also I don't like highlighters that has glitter or shimmer in them, because some products try to get that shine through using glitter inside the formula, but I don't like how that looks on my skin. So I really like that this product doesn't have any of that, yet still able to have that shine. And yeah, also one other thing, even though it is way too pigmented, I don't feel like it emphasizes the texture around my cheeks, which is another plus, because sometimes if you have way too shiny highlighter, they tend to show up your texture more. But yeah, I didn't experience anything with this one, and I'm really happy with this product. I forgot about talking my concealer. You already know that I don't use too much concealer, and this year I only tried one other different concealer than mine, and it is from, again, Colourpop. So two of my concealers are from Colourpop, but they are in different formulas. I was using this no filter concealer before getting the other one, and I wasn't sure if this formula is good enough to talk about it, since I didn't have any other concealers to compare. But after trying the other concealer from Colourpop, now I'm sure that this is the one. Some can say that this isn't a lightweight concealer, which I agree, but I don't mind using heavy concealer under my eye area, since I don't have too much issues in there. And yeah, I would probably get another one, since this is almost over and the oil inside this product is almost gone, because it is a old concealer, I need to admit. But still, if I had a newer one, I feel like that would perform even better. And also, since I'm talking about this concealer works way too good with Colourpop's No Filter Setting Powder. My under eyes feel so soft with these two that I can't stop touching my under eyes for some reason. I know it sounds weird, but these two together, chef's kiss. These are perfect combo. Like, try it. If you are fine with having a heavy concealer, I mean, I don't want to say heavy, but it's certainly not lightweight. This powder is nice to set my under eye, and also I tend to go over my smile lines. I don't know how to call this, but when you are taking a photo with a flashlight, it doesn't do that shininess under your eyes, which is another plus. And it goes a long way. My only complaint about this one is having a small cap. I would much prefer this to be in a bigger compact, which would allow me to use my powder brush and dip it inside to use it all over my face. Sometimes that can create issues, since the product only tends to gather in here. Other than that, it's a really nice product. The next is the lip products. Now I have two different options for people who likes to use matte, and also for people who likes to use glosses. Matte one is the Colourpop Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Sleepy Eyes. You probably know that I was talking way too much about the Blotted Lip Zuma, but this year my favorite changed to this one, because I feel like this has a warmer undertone, and you can use this product how much you want, and you can either have that natural my lips but better look, and also like full coverage look. I feel like with Zuma, since it has a cooler undertone, that wasn't the case. I mean, I don't know, even building up would make it look way too cool toned on my lips. So I prefer this one now. And for the gloss option, I have Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm. I mean, I don't think that I need to speak about this product too much, because people are praising it enough, I guess. I have the Sweet Mouth shade. Unfortunately, I can't use this lip gloss by itself, since it has a lighter shade, and when I build it up on my lips, it looks way too light, and I like to have more of a color when I use lipsticks or lip glosses. So I generally tend to go a little bit with sleepy eyes to give that color on my lips, and then go over with this lip gloss. I enjoy using this lip gloss over my matte lipsticks. I feel like it gives a really nice shine. Oh, and also one other thing. I really like the applicator of this product. I don't know what it is, but the fabric feels way too soft, and also the applicator is bigger than usual lipstick applicators, I guess. So yeah, it feels like rich. And yeah, I don't know how to describe it, but I really like and enjoy the application stage. And after that, my lip liner. I have only one lip liner, and I feel like this color is enough for me to use it in all of my lipsticks. I mean, yeah, it's just enough for me to line my lips, and it is 1 or 2 shades darker than my own lips, which is the perfect contouring shade. And it is the NYX lip liner in the shade Peekaboo Neutral. I will write the details in the description, so if I am saying anything wrong, you can double check from there. And also I will include this Makeup Looks products in there too, so you can check that one out too. And yeah, I have been using this pencil for a really long time, and I prefer to use this pencil alone when I'm going out, like to have a little bit of color. And if I don't want to have something too much, this is enough for my lips. It doesn't feel like sturdy, and you don't feel the need to apply a balm to be able to glide it on your lips. And yeah, it goes for a really long time. I have been using this pencil both in my videos and also in my daily life, and I am still not able to finish it. Yeah, I really like this one. It's a good natural, my lips but better pencil, I guess. And the last product is the setting spray, and that is the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Is that it? Is that the name? Yeah. Now, some say that this product is a dupe for Urban Decay All Nighter. I didn't try that product, so I can't say for sure, but I feel like this setting spray is nice enough to bring all the look together and take out all that powdery look from your face. It gives a nice finish and nice touch to your makeup. I am not sure if it affects the durability of your makeup, but I just enjoy the experience of this product. The mist can sometimes spritz those bigger droplets on your face, but it isn't too much of a deal to make me stop using this product. So yeah, I enjoy this. If you are looking for a dupe for All Nighter, maybe try this one. And I guess that's it for all the things that I liked from this year. Please let me know if you have any favorites among these products that I talked about, and also what makeup products did you discover in this year and enjoyed using them. Please share your thoughts with me down in the comment section below. I wish you all a happy new year, and I hope you are doing well. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, as it helps me a lot. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. I can't talk. I was talking about how I don't like short nails, and look what I have in here. But it was my mistake. I didn't want it to be like this, but I had no choice. So I have to look at my child hand now.